In this video, we will be addressing an elephant in the room for some Etsy sellers or for any online seller really. Is it a good idea to have both digital and physical products in one Etsy shop? What are advantages and disadvantages of having both? And before deciding 100%, let's consider a few factors with some real-life examples. Whether you're currently selling physical products and want to add digitals in or vice versa, this question is very much valid, and believe it or not, many retailers are considering mixing their products to increase their customer base and revenue at some point. Now, to be honest, before putting this video together, I was about 80-20 on yes and no, and 80 being a no. But this was because I was looking at it from my standpoint, from my perspective and my product, and what my research shows is a little bit more trickier. Let's start with advantages. So by offering both physical and digital products in one shop, you can expand your product line and appeal to a broader customer base, which can result in increased revenue for your business naturally. Combining both options provides convenience for your customers. If your product falls in one of the types I will talk in a second, they can purchase digital products instantly while also being able to browse and purchase physical products that they may be interested in. And if executed correctly, this convenience can result in higher customer satisfaction and repeat business, which is what we need. Selling both types of products in one shop allows you to cross-promote your product. Customers who purchase your digital products may also be interested in purchasing physical products and vice versa. Number 4, you only need to manage one shop, one set of listings, one set of customers' inquiries, which simplifies your management process and allows you to focus on growing your business. So we've been through some of the positive things in having a combo shop. Now let's talk about the real life factors you should consider when making a decision for your own shop. So I came up with 3 types of business models that would benefit from having both products under one roof. So if you recognize yourself somewhere, that's your clue. Number 1, shops that go off of their type of audience, meaning their customer is interested in one type of outcome. For example, if you sell crochet patterns already, you can add supplies to make the thing with for crafty people to purchase because they will need them anyway. They are the audience that makes their own product, and ingredients they need are patterns like digital good that you're already selling and supplies, physical product. Next, businesses that go off of type of product. This, from my research, is the majority of combo shops, and they usually sell wall art. If you sell digital wall art, it may be a good idea to add physical upsells because a person looking to buy a digital download picture to hang on their wall is already thinking about printing options, maybe on their own, on their printer at home, or through a third party like Shutterfly, I don't know. But they see in the drop-down menu that you offer framed options as well. And you've got yourself a type of product that is manipulative in a good way. Now, let's look at the businesses that go off of the type of problem customer has. For example, kids subscription boxes along with digital learning games or educational materials, or special notebook like for tax purposes or something else that you can fill out on your own, or you can purchase a class that goes over best practices and like teaches you tips and tricks that will help you. Just sit down with a pen and paper and jot down quick answers to some questions like, is your target audience likely to purchase both digital products and physical products? Will having both types of products benefit them? Will it make sense? Can you handle the logistics of marketing both types of products? How can you cross-promote them? Trust me, pen and paper and just a few minutes of just sitting and thinking things through helps tremendously in making a decision. But even if you're still debating, just experiment, because you're not deleting a part of your existing business, you're just adding on something new to see the feedback. So let's talk about why it might not be a good idea to have digital and physical products in one shop. So I was a little bit biased here because what I sell would not fall under any of the categories we just discussed. I sell mostly handmade products, and my audience would not understand or need any digital goods to go along. So this brings me to my first point, which is different target markets. Customers who are interested in buying and digital products are looking for instant delivery and convenience, while customers who want physical products are simply not interested in a digital version at all. So by mixing the two types of products, you might not be able to cater to the specific needs of either market. This is a big problem because you need to be able to understand your perfect customer to make decisions on things like marketing, which is huge, which is half of your business plan. Next on the list is finding the balance of advertising physical and digital goods, which is tricky because you have to make it clear which one is which. For example, if the wall art is an instant download, you should include something on the picture or in the description or notes somewhere that it's a digital product. Otherwise, there will be people complaining they didn't realize it was a digital file and that they were expecting a framed picture and so on. Now, you may argue about the price point, and I know what you mean. A full framed wall art can possibly cost $5 with free shipping, but there are people out there that first, don't know a lot about online shopping or shopping on a particular platform, and they may think it's a crazy closeout sale or something like that. Then there is people who won't miss out on an opportunity to take advantage of others, and there is also always a plain scam. Another issue that may arise if you have both types of products is that customers may find it difficult to navigate through different product types and can become frustrated with just shopping experience in general. Say you're selling t-shirts with sarcastic sayings on them. You create your own designs and then you make physical t-shirts using your designs, okay? Sublimation, vinyl, whatever it is. You decide to take advantage of the digital products world since you already create those files anyway for your own use. Now, your customers who are looking to buy an actual t-shirt to be shipped to them are not going to be looking for SVG or PNG downloads because their end goal is to not make a t-shirt themselves, but to have it made for them. Another issue, especially if you're selling on Etsy with the same example of the t-shirt shop, your product variation will confuse Etsy algorithm. Etsy is smart and learns what you sell over time, showing your product listings to the right people, okay? Etsy knows that you're selling only physical products, and now you decided you want to sell digital products, and you're saying like, hey Etsy, now I have an opposite thing, please show it to a completely different audience. This way you're risking losing your place in search or even sales because Etsy doesn't know where in front of what audience to put that combo product of yours. I hope it makes sense. So it's better to eliminate the possibility of this wasn't what I thought it was, confusion from the customers, or better yet, confuse Etsy and not get the right eyes on your products at all. Last but definitely not least is if you're coming from selling only digital goods and now you decided to try physical fulfillment, even if your products are complementary, digital products have instant delivery, whereas physical products require production and delivery time. Managing delivery times for both types of products in one shop can be challenging, but everything is figureoutable, and if you set it up right, you should be good. The decision to combine physical and digital businesses in one Etsy shop should be based on your specific circumstances, goals, product lines, and abilities to make it all work seamlessly. Consider whether your products are complementary, maybe in the type of product, type of audience, or type of problem they solve that we talked about, and whether combining them in one shop would be convenient for both you and your customers. If you're still unsure, you can ask your audience for their feedback. Just throw a poll on your main social media platform or just experiment. You can always take away what you added and leave what you already had. Let me know if this video was helpful and what you decided to go for in the comments, and I will talk to you there. Bye.